In this session, we are going to fix some of these regions, like filling missing areas and all. So, as I can see right now on this canvas, I think I need to make some fixes in this region. So, in order to do that, as I have shown references in past, I have few other references also for the same model. So, I have this back 3 by 4. I think we can utilize this region in order to fill that backside. I mean, it is eliminating manual work. Otherwise, we need to do some manual work while matching the seam line. So let's do the. Let's utilize this image as well, and let's make some fixes this side. Let me bring back the Adobe BG Remover, and then we will remove the white background, and then we will use that image in our final texture that we are creating right now. So let me load this image. Done. It will remove the busy quickly as I have shown in the previous session. Okay, let's download it. Done. Now I do not need this, so let me bring the downloaded image on the canvas. So this is what we got. Now we just have to make quickly adjustment over here. Why am I scaling? Because this. Okay, let me do Control Z so that you can understand it easily. So right now, as you can see, this image is smaller. We haven't matched the proportion of this image in the beginning. So right now, basically, I'm trying to make you more flexible. Like at any point of time, if you have some additional references, if you have some additional resources that you have to utilize, feel free to utilize it. Like there is no hard and fast rule that everything you have to do in the beginning only. You should be comfortable enough and flexible enough to utilize the resources at any point of time. Let me brief out one situation. There might be a situation you have received just front and side in the beginning when the modeler start his work. So basically, he will start modeling these things inside any of the application. Eventually, when he will jump to the texturing, or a person in parallel will start the texturing as well. So initially the person will start it with the help of front and side, but later on, like, you might find some complexity in the, in going with just two images. So you might request the client again to share some more resources. So in between, somewhere in your development, during your development, you will get few additional images as well. So in that case, you should be comfortable enough to utilize those resources as well, that you will be getting on later stage. It usually happens in any process, like people keep sharing resources eventually time to time, and we realize that uh, like if we could have got these resources in the beginning, our task could be simplified. But that's fine. You should be flexible enough, because we do not get everything in one go. So let me get back to this and make some adjustment. I'm scaling it, just I'm trying to bring it in the proportion and size of these images only. If that's done, then we just have to mask it out by placing it over there. I think it is almost there. Let's reduce the opacity a bit. Basically, I'm trying to fill this area using this image. Okay, let me move it little bit aside. I think I need to scale it down a bit. Okay. Okay, let's stick to this position and see if we can utilize this. I'm not going like do a lot of back and forth while placing the image. So let's rename it back 3 by 4 and make sure opacity is 100. Add a white mask, change the color to black in order to eliminate those all unwanted regions, and take a brush and start eliminating it. I do not want these regions. I'm just concerned about this region. I just need to fill it with this. So let me go a bit closer. Again, I will come a bit closer in this region. I will try to preserve the ear. So if you ask what differences it has brought, see, no major difference. I think I need to remove these all regions first. Otherwise it is looking like a patch on the canvas. So let's fix it out. In fact, you can go with the 100% of brush opacity to do it faster. Okay, so now see the differences, what differences it is bringing. I'm just trying to get this region so we do not have to work manually a lot. This is fine. I think we can eliminate this unwanted region. You can directly rasterize this layer. Okay, done. Now I can easily delete this region. So this layer is selected. Delete it. Perfect. I think we are getting there. Now as a next step, I will simply take this back 3 by 4, a copy of it, and bring the anchor point to the center line that I have added, and I will flip it. So my left side will also get fixed. You can see fixed enough. Okay, now our texture is looking fine. I think I do not see any other passage. Now next step would be fixing this hair region and like moving with the further improvement of this. So I will hold this session again here since we are done with the filling of missing regions. We will continue in the next session.